Hi! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create unique AI-generated music in just a few seconds with our AI music generator. Whether you need a background track or even a full song, it's all here. Start by entering what you want to hear in the text box. The better and more detailed your prompt, the better your result will be. If you want the song to include lyrics, just mention that in your prompt, and the AI will handle it. Next, choose the model. Our default model generates clear, modern soundscapes. Or if you'd like something with a more classic and experimental vibe, check the box to use the old model instead. Feel free to experiment and see which one fits your style best. Then click Generate. In just a few moments, you'll get a fully produced track, about 1 minute and 35 seconds long, ready to play, download, or use in your projects. If you're not sure where to start, you can scroll down and get inspired by what other users have created. Here, you'll find a variety of styles and ideas from the community. No matter what kind of music you love, we've got you covered. If you're a classical music fan, more into rock,
Laughing engines ready to drive.
or maybe you're a rap fan,
Neon lights flicker, AI in my mind. Swimming with the dolphins through the currents of time.
just describe what you want and the AI will bring it to life. And that's it. Write your idea, choose your model, and generate. Have fun experimenting with different prompts, and let your creativity lead the way. Thanks for watching.